Good morning, students. Welcome to Otari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Today we are start with our new series that is Bachelor of Banking and Insurance, SY Banking and Insurance students. Introduction to Finance. A new subject, Financial Management first, and first topic is Introduction to Finance. So let's start the meaning and definition of finance. Before that, we something learn about what mean by a finance. So in our market there are different kinds of business firm operating, like partnership firm, joint Hindu family, proprietor concern, even Hindu undivided family too. According to Company Act 2013, there are so many business organizations are work here. So these finance or these companies are require of finance for carry their business. So finance is a lifeblood of business and it is very much essential for our business. So let's see the meaning and definition of finance. The this is the meaning, that is a finance is a broad term that describe the activities associated with banking, debt, card, capital market, money and investment. So finance represent money management and process of acquiring needed funds, or it is originated from macro and micro economics. So it is a little explanation of finance. So here is the definition, that it is a concern with optimal procurement as well as uses of finance. Means finance activity concerned with planning, raising, investing and monitoring of fund. So in order to achieve the financial objective of corporate firm, so it is needed to procurement as well as uses of finance. The next slide, here we are mention some importance of finance. The first point of importance of finance is not to invest in not to over invest in fixed investments. Means uh, finance is required to purchase various fixed assets such as acquiring land, machinery, plant, even furnitures, installation of electric equipment, etc. So fixed assets are very essential for conduct of the business. So finance is essential for these kinds of fixed assets. The next point is balance between cash outflow and inflow. Every banking industry have maintained balance between cash outflow and inflow, and when they are going to maintain this inflow and outflow statement, they are calculating their growth or their recession in the banking industry. So finance help to maintain balance between cash outflow and inflow too. Next point is sufficient working capital. Ensure sufficient working capital. Every business need smooth working capital. Smooth day-to-day working of the business capital. For this, they are require adequate amount of working capital, which is very much essential. So it help in timely payment to the supplier, even payment of salary, wages, PT expenses, etc. So for these, finance is essential. Next point is setting sales revenue target, delivering the growth. Growth indicate the size in the activities. So every manufacturer or every industries focus on their growth as well as inorganic growth require of finance. So for growth there is requirement of finance for expansion, moderation and diversifications in business. So it's little bit require finance. The next point is increasing gross profit with right price. If they are going to invest their money in fixed asset as well as capital, working capital, even they maintain cash outflow and inflow, it's all these things are required of finance. So this finance is help to increase the sales volume, which help to increase our gross profit with right price. The next importance is control expenses. Yes, there are so many expenses are included in our business, like paying taxes, PT expenses, miscellaneous expenses. So finance helps to control these expenses. Even also have to increase the gross profit too. The next point is effective tax planning. As I mentioned that tax, even different kinds of duties are paid by our finance. So adequate finance is required to pay taxes and duties to the government. So various form of tax such as a corporate income tax, service tax, excise duty, sales tax, etc. has to paid by business to government. So it is needed to maintain effective tax planning for paying this different kinds of taxes. So finances help to maintain effective tax planning. The next point is, here I mentioned there are some importance of finance. So these things are very essential in our finance. So the next point is types of finance. Yes, here there are only two types of finance, that is a public finance and private finance. See here, the public finance and private finance, there are only two types of finance which is very much essential in our business. So public finance and private finance. The next slide I explain the public finance deeply. See here I am explain that the public finance is a source of finance where public finance is a source of finance where the company or manufacturing stock company include the funds collection and its allocations among different sector of state the activities that are considered as essential functions of the government. Means according to Professor Richard, who has been called the father of modern public finance, defined that finance is most uh, popular work. Why? Because the complex of problem that center around the revenue and expenditure, according to him. So the process of government is referred to traditional as well as public finance. Public finance is a one kind of branch of economy where the finance raised to the public by the way of public revenue, public expenditure, public debt, budgetary policies and fiscal policies. So these things are the sources of collecting public finance and which is used for our development. Here I mentioned that public expenditure, public finance and public revenue, which is included all types of taxes, fee, penalties, fine, gifts, etc. So public debts are included, the loan raised which is source of public finance carry with its repayment obligations to the individual and the interest. So these are the kinds of collecting public finance. Here we are in our second type of finance, that is a private finance. Yes, private finance is a mechanism of providing fund for the private firms for their major capital investment. It means the firms are engaged in undertaking projects involved in any one or more of the following type, such as starting up a new ventures, even expansion, diversification, sometime capacity enhancement, modernizations. So these things are include require the finance which is fulfilled by private finance. In this sector, the private company instead of government handle the project, and the term private finance is identified of a specific financial relationship and function running between the private sector. Means they are collecting fund by their friends, family, relatives, etc. So the state merely frame the law and play a regulatory role. For that, the SEBI set up some enactment for regulating the capital market activity from private sector entity. So this is a private finance. So thank you children, I hope you are understand the types of finance and importance of finance very well. In next video we are learn about our uh, sources of finance and features of finance, quality of financial manager, etc. Till then, goodbye. Please like and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for my next video. Thank you.